As you can see, the placed drawing fits nicely within the layout margins. Let's go ahead and set the numbering of the layouts. Select the Construction Documentation folder on the right side and click the Settings button in the Properties panel. This displays the Subset Settings dialog. Select the Custom ID radio button and keep the Custom ID field empty. This excludes the selected subset from the ID sequence of the layout book, and also there will be no subset prefix in the layout IDs within the subset. Select the Customize ID Assignment radio button in the IDs of items in this subset panel, and check the Add Prefix for this subset checkbox. Then enter A- in the prefix field below it. The Preview panel of the dialog shows the ID sequence resulting from the current settings. Choose the 1, 2, 3 item in the ID Style field. Click OK to accept changes and leave the dialog. Notice the IDs of the folders within the subset have changed. They now start with A1, A2, and so on. The ID of the Construction Documentation folder is also gone, as per our settings. Collapse all folders within the Construction Documentation folder and select all of these subfolders. Click the Settings button again. As you can see, the Assign ID Automatically radio button is now active in the Subset Identification panel. This change has resulted from the settings for the construction documentation set to which these layers belong. Select the Customize ID Assignment radio button in the IDs of items in this subset panel, and check the Use Prefix and IDs of Upper Levels checkbox. Also, uncheck the Add Prefix for this subset checkbox. Choose the 01, 02, 03 item in the ID Style field and click OK. Then, expand the A1 Stories and A3 Sections folders. Notice the numbering of the subsets has changed according to the settings. For example, the ID of the basement plan is A101, and the ID of the S1 longitudinal section is A301. The first digit in the ID number refers to the drawing type, and the last two refer to the layout number. It took only a few minutes to set up and put together the construction documentation layout book. The basis of this quick documentation setup is the project organizer, which provides a clear overview of our design project.